Hi everyone, we are here again to test out some new stuff that xppen sent us. We're going to try digital art and we'll use the xppen Deco Mini 7 graphic tablet, which is an entry level, so it's really good for beginners like me. It's also a great option for anyone who needs a portable drawing tablet for on-the-go use. The size is just the same as notebook, it's very accessible. In the box, you'll also get extra pen nibs, a clipper, quick guides, a USB-C, and of course the pen and two adapters. Now I'm going to show you guys a little process of my first digital art using this tablet. And to start with, you have to look for a drive for the tablet on their website, download it, and then restart your computer. Now you can adjust the pen and tablet buttons in such pressure. As you can see, even in its default setting, it's still smooth and the surface is so comfortable to work with. I am using Adobe Photoshop, but I've tried Adobe Illustrator and the buttons there just fully overwhelmed me. Before, I was hesitating trying digital art even though I have the tools. There's just a lot of options and buttons that always make me back out. But I'm here sketching Hyunjin from Stray Kids. I've been really getting a lot of suggestions to draw him, and I also want to draw him too, so I think it's cool if it's my preference for my very first digital art. I am going to be honest with you guys. This is my safe space, so I'm just gonna openly express my thoughts. This whole March, I was feeling so burned out, leaving me feeling lost and unmotivated. I don't know what to do, but I know I've been there. Last year, it even took me several months before I found my way back. But this month, I felt so tired. I still have pending PRs, but I don't have the energy and excitement to open the packages. I stopped communicating with others. I purposely turned off my notifications and messages. I just felt so drained that I don't want to do anything more. So I I binge-watched anime and read manual day, justifying it as a well-deserved break. I told myself, I freaking deserve this. I worked so hard for the past months. I need a break. And it was fun, sure. But the guilt gnawed at the edges of my comfort zone. It continued for more weeks, and I still have deadlines and due dates. I can't ignore that. And I know that if I don't take action, this will continue for another month. So I took a step back and read all my journals since 2020. And I'm really grateful to my old self that she started journaling those times. Her words helped me in the present to just keep going and don't overthink it. I analyzed her thought process and realized this happened to me every time I am overwhelmed with work, but there were times that I just kept going and not paying attention to my unnecessary thoughts, and it actually worked. As I fight the urge to run from challenges, I keep reminding myself that the universe will not give me more than I can handle. So yeah, this March feels like a dream that I forgot about after waking up. I don't really remember any significant events because it feels like I was half asleep all through the month because my mind was in another dimension. I wasn't at my best, but at least I learned. This April is going to be a lot more productive. I've already set out my plans, and I hope I do not self-sabotage again. So here I'm trying all the features of Illustrator. I have a little knowledge about how to use the other tools because I used to do some posters here for school and edit images, but that's just it. I am mainly a traditional illustrator, so this is the longest I've dedicated my time to exploring digital art. learning a lot from this process. I've discovered this is not as complex as I imagined, and it's actually fun. I was overwhelmed at first, and what I've learned is just the basics, so I think I'm going to be watching lots of tutorials from now on. If you want to try exploring the world of digital art, I think you can start with this tablet. It's so affordable, and you can also connect it to your phone if you don't have a computer. Just go to my description box below, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the link. A huge thank you to xppen for sending over this tablet, and thanks to all of you for watching. Until next time, bye!